Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use hashtags on Instagram Reels. Want to boost your Instagram Reels reach? In this video, I'll show you how to use hashtags effectively on Instagram Reels to get more views. The first step is to find the right hashtag. Search for trending hashtags using Instagram's search bar. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags. As for the second step is to add the hashtag to your Reels caption. And to do that, now we're gonna create a reel by swiping the left section right here and select reel, and then click on next after recording the reel, and then click on next again. Now after you create your reel, go to the caption box. As you can see, the caption box, there's a writing that says write a caption and add hashtags. Here you're gonna tap hashtag. Let's write hashtag. Look for the anyway you're gonna type the hashtag symbol followed by relevant words, for example viral, hashtag viral reels, or hashtag fitness motivation depending on your content and your niche, and use 5 to 10 hashtags for best results. After that, add hashtags in the first comments. This is optional, but just to keep your caption clean, and post hashtags as a comment on your reel. As for the fourth and final step, post your reel by clicking on share, and Instagram will use hashtag to categorize your video. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to use hashtags on Instagram Reels. Use the right ones to increase views and engagements. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.